real cases before a real judge.
Plaintiff Shirley Charleboy says the defendant is her next-door neighbor, despite the fact that they live 7 acres apart. Shirley is suing because she claims the defendant's 2 pit bulls attacked and killed her goat. Defendant June Allgood admits that her dogs attacked and killed Shirley's goat, but says Shirley shot and killed one of her dogs, and the other one was sent to the pound. June insists Shirley is overcharging for the deceased goat.
Tell me what happened.
Well, 2 pit bulls, which were my neighbor's dogs, attacked.
The defendant?
Yes.
Dogs?
Attacked and brutally murdered my goat. And I wouldn't know June if I had seen her, so I've never met her. We've never had any problems in the past.
It's the first time you've seen her?
Yes, it is.
How long have you all been neighbors?
Probably 10 years or
And
better.
you stay far apart?
14.
Well, we have acreage. I have 5 acres and June has 2 or 2.5
makes
acres.
sense. Mm-hmm.
Yes. On July the 18th, I received a call from our handyman that was working on the property where my animals are housed. And he told me that there were 2 pit
I'm
bulls.
still thinking of that 7 acres apart.
I wish my neighbor was that far away.
Well, we know one thing, you weren't too anxious to go and borrow sugar.
No.
7 acres. How far is your other neighbor from you?
Probably about the same distance, maybe 2 acres.
You live in the
or
country
3.
somewhere,
Yes,
obviously?
out
Where?
in the country. Yes.
Where?
St. Cloud, Florida.
So go right ahead. You all didn't know each other well, and you
No.
say her dogs attacked your goat.
Yeah, my pet goat, Priscilla.
All right.
Yes.
Let me hear from you, ma'am.
I heard of this. I got the deputy and the bailiff came to my house, or not the bailiff, but the deputy and animal control came to my house, said my dog attacked her goat and killed it, and my puppy as well. So after I got cited, I went to her house with my son and Chase. You guys were in front. I can see you guys right through the glass. Sorry.
You don't know her. So
I don't.
Yeah.
But I did go to her house, and she would not answer the door.
Mm-hmm.
She would not. I
Did
can
you have
see her
your
right
dogs
there.
with you?
Huh?
Did you have your dogs with you? That may have been one of the reasons she didn't
No,
answer.
she shot and killed my dog.
That day?
That day, they shot and killed one dog, and I let the animal control take my puppy.
Okay, so when they were attacking the goat, that's when she shot and killed the dog?
That's from what I understand.
Okay, you said it like you knew it for sure.
Well, that's what the law enforcement and the bailiff said.
And that's what you believe?
Yes.
All right, good enough. Why don't you believe you should pay for the damage?
$2,225 is quite a bit.
Okay.
I've done a lot of work on goat milk, and she's not even certified through the state to sell. You cannot sell goat milk unless you're certified through Tallahassee.
She's not suing you for the milk, are you? She's suing you for the goat.
The goat, well, I haven't, Your Honor, she hasn't sent me anything, no pictures, no nothing.
You admitted to knowing that it happened.
What was I supposed to?
You could say no or yes, and you said yes. So, like you, I believe it. So, if your dogs killed her goat, as you believe, why shouldn't you pay?
It's kind of high for a goat. I did a little bit of research on it.
You have estimates for what goats cost? I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea.
We need the goat blue book.
The goat blue book value, huh? Ma'am, you
I have
something?
estimates right here.
Let's see it.
All I have is a statement here from another lady.
All right, let's see it, please.
And then underneath it is from the department.
All right, it says
Since
would
she's not
produce
registered.
190 or 191 gallons of milk if alive and milking.
Defendant June Allgood is being sued by her neighbor, who claims June's pit bulls attacked and killed her goat.
So the animal, they say, costs $300 to $350, and they estimate that you will lose $1,525 in milk sales.
And this goat was pregnant as well with 2 babies.
Okay.
I haven't seen any proof of that. No proof. I don't have nothing from her vet. My dog's been there for 10 years, and it just out of the blue, this happened. I mean,
I don't
Excuse
know.
me?
You said it did. You
Well,
said it happened.
Because I had the deputy and animal control at my door.
And you believed him. Right. So I believe you. Now, and you have a defense to not paying this amount?
She's not in the state of Florida. You cannot. You can't even give away raw goat milk.
Ma'am,
and I have affidavits from her stepson.
You can't defend your liability based on her failure to be licensed. She could have found other avenues to sell the milk. So I'm going to grant her judgment since your only defense is that either it's the value of the goat. Yes.
I have affidavits from her stepson. She's never
Ma'am,
milked her
do you
goat.
have anything proving the value? You admitted that it happened.
No.
She showed me the value. I'll grant your judgment, ma'am, $2,225. And she has no real defense other than discussing the licensing issues. Have a good day. Judgment for the plaintiff.
Thank you. June, you know, I wasn't at home when you said that you came to the house, and all I wanted to hear from you was an apology.
It's just tragedy.
Yeah. Her goat got killed. My dog got shot of 10 years. My kid's puppy got put to sleep after that, too. And you know where I live, too.
Yes.